What's up? I'm Breck Aramella with BreckAramello.com, and today I'm going to show you how to use D-CINELIKE mode without your phone on the Osmo Pocket. Then I'm going to show you examples of normal mode versus D-CINELIKE and do a comparison side by side. So let's get right into it. The first thing you have to do is connect the Osmo Pocket to your phone and go into the DJI Mimo app and then download firmware version 1.04.00.20. Then you can disconnect the Osmo Pocket from your phone and you'll see a screen like this. So once you have the screen like that, first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna swipe down. What you're gonna do is you're gonna move it across, you're gonna move it across again, you're gonna move it across again, and then you're gonna see Pro Mode. In Pro Mode, you're gonna press it, then you're gonna tap OK, and now you see Pro in the upper left hand corner. We wanna make sure that we're in video mode, so we're gonna swipe right. So we wanna swipe down to video, then we're gonna swipe left, and now we're gonna go up to 4K, and then after we're in 4K, we wanna move this to 24 frames per second. Then we wanna swipe over. Now we wanna click on the Pro icon. Now it's on normal for color, so you can press that, and now you're on D-CINELIKE. And then we can just swipe up. Now we're at 4K, 24 frames per second in D-CINELIKE mode. So now that we have the D-CINELIKE mode set up, I'm gonna head to downtown Miami, more specifically the Wynwood Walls, and I'm gonna shoot these walls both in normal mode and then in D-CINELIKE mode and compare them side by side so you can see the difference. Alright guys, what do you think? Do you like shooting in normal mode or D-CINELIKE mode? Leave a comment below, love to see what you guys think. And if you enjoyed this video, press that like button. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And before I go, remember, siempre pa'lante, nunca para atrás.